How many times have you been sent a scanned PDF document, a blurry screenshot, or a photograph of a physical piece of paper only to realize that the text is completely locked? You try to click and highlight the text, but you just end up dragging a useless blue box across an image. Honestly, we have all experienced this incredibly frustrating problem. It is exhausting. Whether it is an old legal contract, a textbook page, a receipt, or a financial report, dealing with scanned documents is one of the biggest bottlenecks in any digital workflow. In the past, your only options were to either pay for incredibly expensive enterprise software or sit down and manually retype every single word yourself. Manually retyping documents is an absolute nightmare. It is a massive waste of your valuable time, and it introduces the serious risk of human error, especially when you are dealing with complex data entry. Today, I am going to show you a brand new tool that completely eliminates this problem forever. It is called FreeOCR AI, and it is the ultimate time saver for anyone who needs to quickly convert images into editable digital text. First up, the dashboard and image to Word. When you first open FreeOCR AI, the very first thing you will notice is the incredibly clean and intuitive dashboard. Unlike most enterprise software that forces you through a long, complicated onboarding process, this platform is incredibly straightforward. In fact, basic tasks require absolutely zero sign-up. Zero. You can just open the website and start converting immediately. Let me show you exactly how easy this is. We'll start with a basic image-to-text conversion. If you have a scanned document or even a messy handwritten note, all you have to do is click on the new OCR task button. You drag and drop your image file directly into the browser, and the artificial intelligence goes to work instantly. Within seconds, it reads the image, understands the context, and exports the text directly into a fully editable Microsoft Word document. It preserves the paragraphs, the spacing, and the layout, so you do not have to spend 20 minutes fixing the formatting. It completely removes the friction from digitizing your physical paperwork, and the accuracy is truly unbelievable, even on documents that are slightly blurry or poorly lit, and that is a big deal. Next, image to Excel and table extraction. While basic text conversion is great, the absolute biggest pain point for most professionals is dealing with data tables. If you work in finance, accounting, or research, you know the absolute nightmare of receiving a financial statement or expense report that is locked inside an image file. Normally, moving that data into a spreadsheet requires painstakingly typing out every single row and column manually. FreeOCR AI solves this instantly with its Image to Excel feature. To use this, you simply click on the new Table Extraction tool. For this example, I'm going to upload a photograph of a complex expense report. When I hit Convert, the artificial intelligence does not just read the raw text, it actually recognizes the structural grid. It identifies the columns, the rows, and the headers, and it meticulously reconstructs that exact table into a perfectly formatted, downloadable Excel spreadsheet. The structural integrity is preserved perfectly, meaning you can immediately start sorting your data, running calculations, and applying formulas without having to spend an hour merging broken cells together. Trust me on this, this is an absolute game changer for data entry. Moving on to targeted data extraction. Now, what if you do not need to extract the entire document, but you just want to pull out a few specific pieces of information? This is where the platform gets incredibly powerful. FreeOCR AI features a dedicated new data extraction tool that allows you to perform targeted data extraction. Let's say you were processing a vendor invoice and you only care about a few specific details. Instead of converting the whole page, you can simply type in specific custom fields you want the AI to look for. For example, you can tell the artificial intelligence to only find the price, the invoice number, and the date. The AI will scan the uploaded document, ignore all of the irrelevant boilerplate text, and extract only those exact data points. It will then neatly organize that targeted information and export it directly into a CSV file. This feature is absolutely incredible for small business owners or administrative assistants who need to quickly process hundreds of receipts or invoices without cluttering up their spreadsheets with useless information. It's like having a digital assistant read your documents for you, and that right there is the point. Now let's discuss bulk processing with Pro. Now, I want to clarify exactly how the pricing structure works so you know which version is right for you. FreeOCR AI does have a very generous free version available. The free version does have a daily usage limit, but it is usually more than sufficient for occasional single-file tasks. However, the Pro version is mainly designed for users who need batch processing and heavier daily workloads. With the Pro upgrade, you unlock powerful tools like bulk OCR, bulk table extraction, and bulk data extraction. This means businesses can upload and process hundreds of documents simultaneously instead of doing them one by one. If you are a student digitizing an entire textbook or a lawyer processing massive archives of case files, the Pro version unlocks massive workflow efficiency. Furthermore, for users who need to process PDFs in bulk, I highly recommend that you download the free OCR AI desktop application. The desktop app is specifically optimized for handling massive batches of files simultaneously, allowing you to process massive archives directly on your computer with incredible speed and rock-solid reliability, without needing to upload everything individually through the web browser. To briefly conclude, this AI-powered OCR platform completely blows traditional OCR tools out of the water. Older software relies on basic pattern matching, which completely falls apart when dealing with complex layouts, bad lighting, or messy handwriting. FreeOCR AI actually uses machine learning to understand context, resulting in vastly better accuracy with tricky layouts and handwritten notes. If you want to completely revolutionize how you handle digital documents and never manually retype a scanned page ever again, you need to try this tool right now. I have placed my exclusive affiliate link right near the very top of the YouTube description below, and I've also pinned it in the top comments section for easy access. Click that link to head over to the website and start converting your files today. Test the artificial intelligence for yourself and let me know in the comments exactly how much time this tool saves you on your next big project. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.